Watch my video till the end, you'll get to know how to do the Kalamkari painting using 3 colors only. Hi guys, welcome to my channel Artistic Trails. This is Sandhya. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to do Kalamkari painting using 3 colors only. Material used for this painting is normal sketchbook, A4 size sketchbook of 149 GSM cartridge paper. It's a normal drawing book. I bought this from normal stationery store. Product link is given in the description box below. You can check it out. For painting I'm using 6 number round brush and 000 round brush, and for sketching I'm using normal HB pencil, Faber-Castell, and for outline I'm using the gel pen, black ink gel pen, and eraser if you want. And next, here I'm using Camlin Artist watercolor tubes, normal artist range, not a student range. I'm using only 3 colors here. The colors used in this painting are gamboge yellow, a yellow gamboge color, ivory black color, plain black, and light red. You can use burnt sienna brown color as well. Let's begin with the sketch. I'm sketching it on a drawing book, A4 size normal cartridge paper drawing book. Here I'm using Faber-Castell HB pencil. You can use any pencil of your choice like Artline pencil, Natraj, Camlin, or any HB pencil. No need of any dark shade pencil like 2B, HB, 4B, 6B, or any other thing, because we are going to paint here in watercolor and no need of any dark shade pencil here. Normal pencil would be fine. If you are new to my channel, please do subscribe and share it with your friends and family, and hit the bell icon as well so that you'll get the update of my channel. Kalamkari painting is a very famous folk art of India. It is usually done in many parts of Andhra Pradesh and it's very famous all over the India. Kalamkari painting can be done in canvas using acrylic colors or oil colors, and you can use it on a glass also. Here I am doing it in watercolor and showing it on a normal paper. completed my sketching and I'm using only three colors here: yellow, brown and black watercolor. First I am applying water on the plain sheet, and now I am applying yellow, gamboge yellow. This is a wet on wet technique. Whole background is done in only one color, yellow. So I applied water all over the sheet and I am using yellow all over the background. Here next color I have taken is burnt sienna, applying it on the borders and jewelers of the lady design. So here I am using burnt sienna. You can use raw sienna color as well, or light brown or dark brown. Dark brown color goes well. You can use light red as well in camlin acrylic colors. Here I have taken light red and brown mix in watercolor. I am using camlin watercolor. Link of watercolor and other products are given in the description below. Completed with brown color. Now I am starting with the black color. Black for hairs. I am using full plain black. I have not mixed any color with that. It's a plain black color. So I am applying it for the hairs. As I said before, I have not used any other color. You can go for the other colors as well. For clothes or body color, you can use skin tone. For dresses, you can use blue, green, goes well with this. Here I am doing outline for the sketch. I am using black color only for the outline. Here I have taken 000 brush with black color loaded on it. If you are a beginner, please use a gel pen, black ink gel pen. You can use that. Here I have completed almost outline of the painting. I am doing some finishing touch here. Hope you like my today's video. Thanks for watching and please do subscribe.